Multi-step inequalities. We solve these the same way we solved our multi-step equation. We're going to undo the operations until we get the variable by itself. But this time we have to remember the beware. If you're multiplying or dividing by a negative number, you have to change the direction of the inequality symbol. So keep that in mind. Let's look at some examples. We have 11y minus the negative 11y minus 13 is greater than 42. We have to undo this and get the y, or the variable, by itself. So let's add 13 to both sides. That gives us negative 11y is greater than 55. Then divide by the negative 11, which then changes the direction of our inequality. And we have y is less than negative 5. If we were to graph it, it would look like this on the number line. Here we have 43 is greater than or equal to negative 4y plus 11. We have to undo it, get the y by itself. So let's subtract 11 from both sides. Then we have to divide by negative 4, change the sign of the inequality, and we end up with negative 8 is less than or equal to y, and if we were to graph it, it would look like this. Another example gets a little more complicated. If you look at this problem, remember your order of operations. First thing we have to do is get rid of the parentheses. So we're going to distribute the 4 to the 3t and the negative 5. And then we're going to have to combine their like terms. After we've combined our like terms, now we can work on getting our variable by itself. So we add 13 to both sides. Gives us 12t is greater than or equal to 8t plus 16. Then subtract 8t. And then we have to divide by 4, so we have t is greater than or equal to 4, and we have our variable by itself. Watch for this situation though. In this problem, first thing we have to do is combine like terms, so we have to combine the 9t and the negative 5t, which gives us 4t. But when we subtract the 4t, we cancel out our variables, and we have 25 is less than or equal to negative 12. This is a false statement. Negative 12 is not greater than 25. Therefore, your solution set is empty. There are no real numbers that will solve this inequality. Another one to watch out for. In this one, let's look at it. We have to distribute first. Distribute the 3 to the 4m plus 6. And then we combine our like terms, and we're left with 12m plus 18. Is less than or equal to 18 plus 12m. We subtract out the 12m and we're left with 18 is less than or greater to 18. That is a true statement. 18 is less than or greater to or equal to 18. So the solution set here is all real numbers. Remember, this works just like it does in multi-step equations. If you have any questions, come and see me.